In this video, we are going to talk about MAC address verification. So we create a table in router for MAC addresses, and there are two methods for MAC address verification. Blacklist MAC address. So all the MAC addresses are allowed except for those which are in the MAC table. So we create a MAC table in the router, uh, and only those MAC addresses are blocked. We are talking about, if we talk about blacklist MAC address, so only those MAC addresses will be blocked which are in the table. There's another concept, whitelist MAC address, in which all the MAC addresses are blocked except those which are in the table. So in blacklist, only those MAC addresses will be blocked which are in table, and in whitelist, only those MAC addresses will be allowed which are in table. So let me show you an example. I have created a MAC filter table in my router, and I have created a whitelist MAC address. So only these MAC addresses will be allowed to connect to this uh, access point. Although this is a open access point, but still only these MAC addresses will be allowed to connect. So if I try to connect my PC with this access point, I will not be able to connect since my MAC address is not in the list. So it will take time and it will not connect, as you can see. So let's see how we can connect to these type of access points. So let me move into my Kali machine. So I have connected my wireless adapter WLAN 0. Now let's just create a monitor interface. And now let's just clear out first, and let's just do arrow dumb ng WLAN 0 mon. Let's just stop. So this is our access point which is open, and if we try to connect it right now, I have just converted into monitor mode, so that's why I'm not able to connect it. But although if it's in the manage mode, and if I try to connect it with this access point, I will not be able to connect it since I have shown you in my Windows machine. So let's just do arrow dump ng again on this specific access point. We have to pass the BSS ID, which is the MAC address of access point. And we have to pass channel number, which is 8, and then we have to pass WLAN 0 mon interface and hit enter. So as you can see right now, with this access point, this MAC address is connected. Basically a laptop or a device is connected with this access point. So we have got to know the MAC address of a connected device. So let's just disconnect it, and all we have to do is change our MAC address to this device. So what I have to do is I have to bring my card down. So I've config WLAN 0 mon down, and I have to convert my card to manage mode. So the best way to convert the card into manage mode is to just bring your card down and just unplugged and replugged it. By the way, always once you finish up with the Wi-Fi adapter, wireless Wi-Fi adapter, you always bring your card down before unplug it, because sometimes the current is passing through it and it might break your chip. So always do if config the WLAN 0 mon or WLAN 0 down. So in that way your card will be secure. So I'll do if config now WLAN 0. So this is the MAC address. I'll have to copy this MAC address, and let's just do MAC changer. And an M option is for providing a custom MAC address, which we are providing right now. First of all, I have to bring my card down. So let me do if config WLAN 0 down. And now we'll do MAC changer with M option. And this is the MAC address of the device. So the MAC address is changed now. And if I do if config WLAN 0 up, it will bring my card up. It will take few seconds to bring it up. And now if I'll do if config WLAN 0, you can see my MAC address is changed now. And now let's just try to connect it. So as you can see, now I'm able to connect with this fake AP by changing my MAC address. So this is how you connect to those access points which have a MAC filter. And one more thing which I want to add in this video is sometimes your default settings of Kali Linux is set on random MAC address. So all you have to do is you have to go in leaf pad and etc directory, network manager and network manager config file, and you have to add this line device Wi-Fi scan random MAC address equals no. So in that way your wireless adapter will not be provided with the random MAC address. It will provided with a permanent MAC address, and you can change it manually when we will be doing spoofing and changing MAC address through MAC changer. So remember this line you have to add in your network manager file, otherwise your MAC address will be changing randomly and you will not be able to attempt this exercise.